I'm Tim Freeman, I'm Operations Manager here at Kolmark. Kolmark's been around since 2001. We first set up the business to service Tasmanian Alkaloids, a pharmaceutical company in Westbury. From then we've bridged out into more food, beverage and pharmaceutical companies. So we first come across SAGE quite a few years ago, and just recently, in the last 12 months, we had a project down in Kolmark, which is a distillery, which we're starting to head into full-blown supply and demand for turnkey operations. So we partnered up with SAGE to work with us to supply a pilot plant distillery for a client. It's been a fantastic working relationship. They've come along, offered advice, offered suggestions on how to do things better, different instrumentation we could use to get the desired effect of what the client really needs without actually knowing what the client needs. Yeah, so the main reason we went to SAGE instead of the other suppliers was the fact they wanted to be part of the whole project, and we really did offer a complete solution to what our problems were without knowing our problems to start with. So Kolmark's next step in our future of a business is to set up to supply full-blown distilleries to be a turnkey solution, and we'd love SAGE to be part of that, to be able to offer their solutions so we can manufacture these items in Tasmania, supply all the software, instrumentation, the whole lot, pack it in a container and ship it to all over the world with stuff that's been done in Tasmania. We'll be able to back it up with their services in Southeast Asia.